Hey, what's going on, my friends? Welcome to another episode of the Full-Time Purpose YouTube channel. Today, my name is Victor, and today I'm going to share with you the 3 fastest ways to start making an income and a living on YouTube. I know a lot of people, they're in kind of a transition. They're very anxiously awaiting the day when they can finally quit their 9-to-5 and do this full time. Many of you have maybe taken the plunge and the leap of faith and are putting all of your eggs into this basket and are actually living off your savings or credit cards or whatever, and you want this to make money quick. I want to tell you the 3 fastest ways to make money. There's many ways to earn a living. So many. 5, 10, I can think of at least off the top of my head, really lucrative 6-figure potentially income streams just from this one YouTube channel. But I'm going to share with you the 3 fastest ways. Number 1 is one-on-one coaching, healing, or mentorship. Because you're giving away your time, and whenever you work with somebody one-on-one in any of the ways I described, you're delivering, that's like the highest level of service. There you have your free YouTube videos, and that's great, but there's no way to ask questions really. It's usually kind of on the, in a sense, sort of general. Then there's your digital courses, right? Where it's like, okay, we'll take one aspect of maybe one YouTube video and go really deep into it and provide a process where you can get a good result. That's great. And then there's maybe like group coaching or online memberships. That's cool too. That's another level. But the highest level is, hey, Victor, I have 10 questions specific to me, and I can see you know what you're talking about with this stuff. Let's whip through these real quick. In a half hour, all 10 questions are answered. An individual and customized plan has been provided, and again, that's the highest level of service, so therefore, you can charge the most. You can charge top dollar for your personal time versus taking the time to learn how to create a digital course. And though there's many benefits, it gives you passive income. Generally speaking, comparatively, you can't charge nearly as much. It's a lot harder to sell, and it takes more time. You can have 20 subscribers, and if you do it the right way, you can let them know you do one-on-one healing, coaching, mentorship, etc., and you can get a few clients just from that very small fan base. So that's the number 1. Number 2 is affiliate products. If you don't know what that means you sell other people's stuff, whether it be a digital course or whatever. And what's nice about this, you can sell really expensive, very well done, professionally done digital courses that run over $1,000 and earn half or sometimes 60 to 70% of the cost. And you don't have to do anything. Sometimes they're created by very credible people that are sort of well known, and you can do it like that. Or, for example, something like I could do in theory, because this is a channel about growing your online business. There are many softwares that I and Aaron both use for our business, like, let's see, like ClickFunnels, Aweber, Thrive Themes, Kajabi. You know, some of these are softwares that cost like up to or sometimes over $100 every single month. And I would have to maybe spend 20 minutes on the internet, sign up for an affiliate program, and I can start selling to you guys right now, maybe a membership to ClickFunnels, we'll say, and you're starting to spend $100 a month, and I get $30 a month just from that reoccurring. Times 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 people, that's significant, and it's something I can do right away, selling affiliate products. And there's many types of that. You could even sign up to Amazon affiliate right now and start doing YouTube videos about like your reviews of big flat screen TVs, and you get like 15% of that. So you sell a $2,000 TV, it's a nice little chunk of change for you. And what's nice about Amazon, real quick, in particular, is say you don't want to do TV reviews, but you want to do a book review. And of course, 10 to 15% of one book is not really, it's not that big of a deal. But say it's during Christmas time. Did you know that if I recommend a book to you right now, and it's an affiliate link for Amazon, and someone goes and buys that book for $8, and then they're on Amazon, they decide to do a bunch of their Christmas shopping, and they do buy a TV, and they buy all the gifts for all the relatives and their friends, they spend $2,000, $3,000, I would get 15% of whatever they buy because I sent them to Amazon. So whether you're selling Amazon stuff, you're selling software related to your niche, you're selling other digital products, all of that can be done very quickly and right away when you sign up to affiliate with people. Number 3 is a drip-fed digital product. What I mean by this is that you can drip feed content. Maybe you're selling a 12-week course, a 12-week transformation course of something, depending on what you're doing, and you're selling it for $197. But you want to keep all of your customers focused on what's most important for that month. You don't want them jumping around. It'll be information overload. So you say, listen, I'm going to give you every single week, you're going to get a new piece of content. Every month, you're going to get a new piece of content. So you can do all the stuff necessary for you to sell that, have only the first month or week done, and then you have a whole month or a whole week to slowly build your course as you go, and you already have a bunch of customers. I've done this personally with many different things within my business. It's a very fast, it's a way to get yourself earning an income, and then you add to it as you go. Anyways, that's all, my friends. Just want to share that with you in case any of you guys are kind of like, you know, you want to get something going for yourself fast. Now you have 3 things that you can start focusing on, because there's so much to focus on with an online business, and so many people they'll be like pressed for cash, and then they're spending all this time worrying about their website. All of what I shared, you don't even need a nice fancy website. It's all done from like an email list or from little links in the description box. And so my point is, now you have 3 things to focus on so we can start making this worth your while a lot sooner than you might have thought. And if you ever want more in-depth coaching, me and my friend Aaron, we do a monthly coaching where we actually work with people in a group setting and take them through a process that helps them model our exact online business infrastructure that'll work in any niche. And you actually get to ask us questions in real time every single month. There's a community of people that you can interact with, and there's so much motivation going on there. So many people helping each other's grow and sharing ideas, and it's nice to have that support system. So if you want to go deeper than this YouTube video and learn more about these 3 things that I was sharing about, I'll leave a link down below. You can watch our free presentation and see if it resonates. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for everything. Have an amazing day. Good luck on your online business. I know it can take a little time in the beginning, but it's one of those things that your consistency will be rewarded in mind-blowing ways, so keep going. Namaste.